That's weird. I never read this book before. What is that? I need to get that book.
Zack, what do you think you're doing on the laptop?
Well, I was online looking for interesting books, but when I just ran into one, I was thinking of buying the book.
I don't think I understand. Let me see the laptop. Zack, there is no way I am gonna spend my money on that. And you were still grounded for skipping church service and go to a barbecue party with Kelly and friends yesterday. Go back to your room now.
Darn, I can't believe I am still grounded and I cannot buy that book. Welcome to the bookstore. How can I help you, kid? Can I get... Here you go. That will be $15. Here you go. Thanks. Have a nice day. Yay, I finally got the guide to the Star Wars universe. I am going to read it right now. Wars universe. Yay, I finally got the Wars universe. I am going to read it right now.
Hey Zack, I got something to tell you. Zack, what is the meaning of this book? Hey Zack, I got something to tell you. Zack, what is the meaning of this book? Did our parents tell you not to get that book while grounded for ditching yesterday's church service?
Zara, it's not what you think it is.
I don't care about whatever you have to say about this. I am telling our father right now.
No.
Dad, you're not gonna believe what Zack bought.
Let me see. Oh my God. He did not buy the guide to the Star Wars universe with my money. He is so grounded for 40 months. Thanks, Zara, for telling me. I'm calling your mother about this. Honey, you will not believe what Zack bought at the store while grounded. He got the guide to the Star Wars universe with... Honey, you will not believe what Zack bought at the store while grounded. He got $15 of my money.
Oh no, he did not. Okay, I'm coming back home now.
Okay then.
Oh please don't tell me if that is the book Zack brought at a store.
Yes it is. I'm now going to return it
My
to the
apologies,
store.
I don't
I'm
understand.
going back in my room.
Son, what did your father tell you about buying a book while grounded for ditching church service?
Don't buy a book because I am grounded.
Exactly. And what is the consequence for disobedience?
I am even more grounded.
Yes, and that's what's gonna happen when your father comes back home.
Alright honey, I am home. Zack, how dare you buy that book? You disrespected me and your mother once again. Shame on you, son. That's it. You're grounded for 40 months.
You heard your father, and this means you will not be doing summer activities with anybody, especially with your girlfriend Kelly, for 4 weeks. Go to your room and go to bed and go to sleep now.